This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pcv Valve Replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with a prop rod. To replace the valve, disconnect the PCV hose from the intake manifold. Unscrew and remove the PCV valve along with the hose. Disconnect the old PCV valve from the hose. Install a new PCV valve into the valve cover port, screwing it into place until it is seated securely. Install the PCV hose, connecting it from the PCV valve across to the intake manifold.